Thank you for watching other episodes of Stone's Reviews. My mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Thank you to everyone who has liked and subscribed to my channel. We are still trying to make our way to 50, and we're going to make it here real soon, I think. Today we have the Gundam Epyon from the Endless Waltz series. It is a master grade kit. It is pretty awesome. It's got a real shiny coating to all the red pieces, so it should be really awesome built. I'll tilt the box here so you can see the different things and try to get out the glare for you. It does transform into like a double-headed dragon kind of thing. I don't think I'm going to leave it in a transformed form. I think I'm going to leave it in robot mode, but it's kind of cool that it can. Let's see here. Yeah, so there's the box. Let's get her open here. Alright, we'll look at the book here. Yep, Gundam Endless Waltz. Let's see here. Alright. On these kits, it's very important when you go through here to find the page that tells you what to look for. To make sure you don't actually accidentally cut something you shouldn't cut. It always gives you nice pages there to see what parts are on what. There we go. These guys right here are the most important. This tells you what to look out for as you're building, so that you don't make a mistake that you can't take back or can't take back very easily. So it's great to have those. Yeah. And beautiful pictures in the back, although they don't... This is the version that doesn't have the glossy red. This is just the matte, maroon kind of color there. So it'd be nice if it would have given us the glossy version. So this is just essentially that other kit's instruction book, but it should be the same other than the colors. And there's where your decals go. All right. The last Gundam kit I made, the Tallgeese, it had two different decal kits. One was a rub-on and the other one was sticker. It'll be interesting to see what they did with this kit. Let's take a quick look here. Alright. So when I open these kits up, I just go ahead and open all the bags up, and I put them in my little frame holder here. My nice, fancy, expensive frame holder. I'll do that on camera here, but I'll speed it up so you don't have to, watch minutes of me just cutting bags open and putting stickers on them. So I look for the number of them, and then I use some high color tape there, some fluorescent tape, and I wrap it around there and put the number on there, and then put it in my kit there, so that way I know where it's at, and I can take them all and just put them on the kit in and out. And if I need to put the kit away, I can just put it all away and put it right back again where I had it, and it works super that way. Super way to speed up the building process. Okay. So shiny. So shiny. Can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Hi. Okay, so finally got through all the bags and got everything in position. It does look like it comes with the two different sets of decals, three technically. These nice little guys here, and it looks like you got your eyes there, and then looks like to me rub-ons as well as the self-adhesive. So super. Not a big fan of decals, but they certainly do make the build look good. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video of the Gundam Epyon. I will build it here soon on camera and get it all dressed up and display it here for you and review it and here shortly. And please like and subscribe. Your subscriptions to my channel really helps a lot. And if you are in a position to support us on Patreon, really appreciate you becoming a patron. For $3 a month, you can get access to all my videos ad-free, and as well as look and hopefully find your next build that you will enjoy doing. Thank you very much. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.